Attorneys for two of the men convicted in Ahmaud Arbery's murder are now considering withdrawing guilty pleas. This after a federal judge rejected a plea deal. WSAV News 3's Brian Ray sat down with a civil rights attorney and explains tonight what this means for the federal hate crimes trial moving forward.
Attorney Francis Johnson says the defense will now have to weigh the evidence that will be presented. Under the deal, Travis would have pled guilty, admitting he targeted Arbery based on his race, which is illegal under federal hate crime legislation.
We live in a dual system of sovereign state and sovereign federal government. And what they did was not just a violation of the laws of the state of Georgia, but were also violation of the laws of the United States, the peace and dignity that every citizen is accorded.
If the McMichaels keep their guilty pleas, the judge will proceed with sentencing. But if they plead not guilty, the jury will use evidence to decide if the McMichaels and William Roddy Bryan, who wasn't part of the plea deal, are guilty of federal hate crime charges.
The jury in Brunswick saw the truth. I deeply believe that a federal jury will see the truth as well, and they can't deny that truth. America can't deny the truth that these things happen far too often, and hate simply has no place in a modern society.
According to Johnson, the federal charges carry a maximum sentence of life in prison or the death penalty. On top of the life sentences, all three men will serve in state prison. The plea deal called for the McMichaels to serve 30 years in federal prison first.
There's a long history of highly publicized, racialized violence, and we haven't gotten it right. I am hopeful that in 2022 we can begin getting it right under this hate crime legislation.
In Savannah, Brian Ray, WSAV News 3 on your side.
A court is set to resume on Friday morning, where defense attorneys are expected to share if the McMichaels will withdraw their guilty pleas or not.